Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. I wanted to show you, we just got done installing our hubs on this 2500 Dodge. So, here's what you get with locking hubs. They're in free mode right now, and you notice that you have no drivetrain movement. Want y'all folks to get with that. So, when you don't have any drivetrain movement, basically you've got a two-wheel drive vehicle. Now, everybody, that's not true. Most people know that a two-wheel drive pickup will outperform a four-wheel drive pickup. It will accelerate faster. It has a higher top-end speed. The braking distance is shorter. It is a whole lot easier to stop this rotating tire than it is to stop this rotating tire attached to a drive shaft, attached to a pumpkin, attached to gears, attached to a front drive shaft, and spinning the gears in a transfer case. If you don't believe me, you try it. And the wear and tear on these unit bearings is because this stub shaft is moving from left to right, left to right. Every single time you turn that thing off a center, the inside of that bearing is having to turn that stub shaft, and at highway speeds it's spinning at 1700 RPM. So, here's our free spin mode. We have a two-wheel drive pickup, and now we want to have a four-wheel drive pickup. Now, we have a four-wheel drive pickup. You see that right there? Now it's in four-wheel drive. So, now we're done in four-wheel drive. And we want two-wheel drive. Uh-oh. There's two-wheel drive. Now, tell me that ain't smart. You keep on driving around with that full-time, full-wheel drive and those spline hubs from the factory. And, well, one is smarter than the other. And I'll let you be the choice. God bless you. God bless America. And, happy trucking. Bye.